convert text to number. These numbers are stored in text. So when you do a normal sum formula, let me take a range, you get result as 0 because these numbers are stored in text. One of the ways you can convert each cell to a number, like convert to number, but this is a very long process, converting each cell to number. So first method is select your range, click on data, click on text to columns, click next, uncheck your tab, click next, and click on finish. Now these are being converted into numbers. You get a respective sum. The other way is, let's write a sum formula again, is equal to sum, open the bracket, here you need to type 1, multiply, now type the range, close the bracket, and again close the bracket, click on enter. This will also produce the same result, but the only difference between these two methods is, in the second method, when you change the number, if it is in text format, the formula still works. But whereas in the first method, if you change it back to the text format, your formula doesn't work. So I always prefer to use the second method.